It's time to talk a little bit about image waves. I've opened up the demo experiment here, U1338. I've plotted three core images, 1338A, 3, 4, and 5. The thing you want to know about core images, or images in IGOR in general, is that they have their own internal scaling. Data waves do as well, but we virtually never use them in COD because they're not scaled at regular intervals, but images are. And we can find out about the scaling of the images by going to the data browser. If we look at, for instance, Core 5, we can go down here and find out that it starts at 31.2 meters and has delta, that is the depth scaling, of about 1 millimeter. The y-axis has just 100 points and scaled from 0 to 1. That's just kind of a default. The second thing you can find out about the core image in the information window is if you go down to the bottom and look at the wave note, you'll see that that wave is currently in MBSF or CSF scale. So we want to change it to CCSF scale. How do we do that? Let's go up to COD image processing. And what we see here is CSF to CCSF. Let's do that. And we're going to do U1338A. And there we go. Now they've been shifted. Now you can see the beginning of Core 5 is at 36.6. And if we go down to the bottom, what you see is the MCD and the CCSF scale. So that's about all, really. We'll go through plotting, and in other videos we'll also talk about how you can put age as an internal scale or add age to a plot versus depth. So that's it.